Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. The difference between me and everybody in this room is I have no fear of anything. Not physically, not mentally, not emotionally. I have no fear.
This is one of the most important videos we have made so far on this channel. What you are going to see could be life-changing for you. You're finally going to understand why some people become rich and why others remain poor, even after working for 45 consecutive years. You are going to see why, for some people, generating money is as easy as smashing that like button and subscribing to this channel. And for others, making money is so difficult and requires working very hard for so long. You are going to see the secret to become filthy rich. And once you start applying this secret into your life, everything will change. We learned this secret from Dan Pena. For those who don't know him, Dan Pena is a multi-millionaire American businessman and philanthropist, and he's considered one of the best motivational speakers in the world. Now, let's move to the jungle and see this short clip.
This is you. You stand around and watch all the opportunities go by. You sit there, you sit there, you sit there. Bert's getting ready. Rick's getting ready. Maybe the next one, and there comes somebody like me. Just jumps on the eats it. Maybe the next one, Ray.
So, what we can conclude is that fear is a huge obstacle for your success in life. Fear prevents us from taking action and achieving our goals. There are plenty of opportunities everywhere, but we always find a good excuse for not taking action. Oh, I don't want to invest in the stock market because the stock market is risky. I don't have time to read that book because I'm having problems with my boyfriend. I don't want to start a business now because I'm worried about the sanitary crisis. Because people are always afraid of failing, their subconscious mind always creates an excuse for them not to take action. And if you don't take action, guess what, my friends? You're not gonna get results. Another thing holding you back is the fear of what other people would think. The fear of what other people think of what you're planning to do can keep you trapped. It can prevent you from achieving success. I can hear you saying, what if the business I am building doesn't work as expected? But what if the course I'm creating didn't sell well? What would my girlfriend think of me? What would my friends think of me? Would they think of me as a loser? Am I actually a loser? These are the kind of thoughts that hold you back, and I'm pretty sure many of you hold these thoughts. I am sure because one day, years ago, I had your same fears. And in order to succeed, I had to overcome them and shift my mindset. And this is exactly what you should do. You have to understand that failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. The majority of people are afraid of failure, so they spend their whole lives trying to avoid making mistakes. And do you know why we all have this fear in common? Because in school they teach us that mistakes are bad and that we will be punished for making them, and they actually punish us for them. Yet if we look at the way humans are designed to learn, we learn by making mistakes. We learn to walk by falling down. If we never fall down, we could never walk. Failures are behind the greatest accomplishments humankind has ever witnessed. Thomas Edison failed over 10,000 times before finally inventing the light bulb for his company, General Electric. And as our beloved Michael Jordan once said, I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Don't be afraid of what others will say if you failed in your first business. It is normal to fail. It is part of the process. You should consider failing as an opportunity to learn and grow. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn, and the more you increase your chances of success. And here, a quote by Robert Kiyosaki. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth in what seems to be an instant. So once you have this mindset shift, and once you programmed your mind to fail as much as possible and learn to the max, you'll be able to achieve massive success. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked the content, then show some love. Smash that like button and share the video with your friends. And for those who want to learn how to earn passive income selling their online courses online, click in the first link in the description. We will show you how to make at least $2,000 a month selling your courses on Udemy and Skillshare. By the way, if you're still here while the music is running, here are 2 videos that you'll love watching. The first one is the ultimate guide for investing for beginners, and the second one is a summary of the #1 personal finance book of all time, The Rich Dad, Poor Dad.